Hi, I'm Jeannie Jacobs. How are you today? I'm doing great. I am going to show you how to make pomegranate flavored lamb lollipops. Oh, I love this recipe. It is so simple, very easy, and full of flavor. Anybody can make this. Anyone, I swear. So, welcome to my table where life's best moments happen. Now, if you like this video, I want you to like it, okay? Like this video, comment. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and all my social media channels. So let's have fun with a pomegranate glazed lollipop lamb chops. Mmm, yummy. All right, the first thing you wanna do, you just wanna season your lamb chops. That's salt and pepper, okay? A little garlic salt. And we're gonna do a little garlic. Sprinkle the garlic powder on. I love this garlic powder. It's so fine. It's so full of flavor. It's very easy to deal with. I'm gonna flip the chops over. And we're gonna season the opposite sides. Salt. Pepper. And of course, a little garlic powder. I love this seasoning from Maison Gabrielle. It's so premium, it's high grade. I mean, ooh, so flavorful, fresh, perfect. Now, since we have the lamb chops seasoned, the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put them on the grill. Just 3 minutes on each side. And during that time, what I'm going to do as they're cooking, we're gonna make the glaze, the pomegranate glaze, which is so yummy. All right, let's get these bad boys on the grill for a little bit. I love the smoky grill flavors that I get on this hasty bake grill or smoker. It's awesome. You can not only grill things on this, we can also bake. So I'm gonna bake a cake just out of curiosity to see how that works. As our lamb is on the grill, 3 minutes per side, we are going to make the pomegranate sauce to glaze them with. Now we're gonna make the pomegranate sauce, and it's very simple. We're gonna use pomegranate molasses, honey, and some balsamic vinegar. The balsamic vinegar I chose, I actually purchased at a store in Rome, is aged 25 years. So it's thicker and it's a little bit sweeter. So the type of balsamic vinegar you use is completely up to you and what you have access to. So let's start. Heat up our saucepan. I would add, because I'm outside and it's so humid here, I'm gonna add a little bit of water to the saucepan, and I'm gonna add my pomegranate molasses, balsamic vinaigrette, which is, mine is pretty thick anyway, sweet, and we have honey. Just gonna stir it a little bit until it thickens up, but you don't put it on high heat, just, you know, let it simmer a little bit, stir as you go, and you should be fine. Now we need to check on our lamb chops. All right, it's time to turn these lamb chops over. They're looking good. Have a nice smoky flavor, and kind of sweet, just the way we like them. We've turned our lamb chops over. They need to cook a little bit more, of course. Unless you like yours really rare, my kids will not eat anything that has blood running out of it. Now we're gonna check our pomegranate sauce. It looked like it's thickening, so watch. Our sauce is thickening, you can smell it. Smell the sugar just coming off of it. So I turned down the heat just a little bit. We'll let it simmer a little bit longer, and we should have perfect sauce in a few minutes. Our sauce has been simmering, and I think it's perfect. So let me show you what it looks like now. And it smells absolutely great. Now see our sauce. Just right, it's not too thick, but this will glaze very well over our lamb chops. All right, our lamb is finally off the grill, and it smells just heavenly. We have our sauce to glaze lamb with, and let's get to town, because I am so ready to eat this. So I'm just gonna drizzle the sauce over the lamb, because I'm just greedy that way. We can go back and take our time and actually brush it on. But shoot, you got a spoon, use it. And just glaze so ever carefully the sauce. And this smells so good, it's just ridiculous. So if you don't like lamb, and I'm gonna tell you the truth, I don't like lamb. I haven't, well, I do now, but for years, especially as a kid, I always hated lamb because It seemed like it was always lamb for Christmas, lamb for Easter, lamb with like mint sauce. That was just nasty to me as a kid. But when I got older and I started cooking on my own and having my own home, I started experimenting with lamb and coming up with different recipes. And then I just fell in love with lamb again. I mean, to me, at one point, lamb was just so gamey that I just could not even stand the smell of it. But now, I prefer lamb over chicken. I prefer lamb over beef. I think lamb is like your underrated meat. All right, looks like we got everything well glazed here. Get the excess glaze off, because we did have fun glazing. Garnish it, and we're gonna garnish it with some pomegranate seeds for color. Absolutely fabulous. There you go, the lamb dish. So, hey, I want to thank you for joining me. I'm Jeannie Jacobs, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. It's pomegranate glazed lamb lollipops. They're so, so good. If you want this recipe, it will be in my upcoming cookbook, Welcome to My Table, where life's best moments happen. If you enjoyed this video, please do me a favor and like it, comment, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also subscribe to all of my social media channels as well. Enjoy.